See, I hate those. They're junk. And that's all Home Depot's trying to sell.
Yeah.
Everything okay? Need me to move anything else?
I think we're good.
Okay. Oh yeah, I was gonna tell you. I did a little research
Uh-huh.
on our argument that we were having,
Yeah.
and in a way we were both kind of right.
Uh-oh.
So like the
Now wait a minute, a customer never tells me I'm right. That's it though. So you're saying I'm partially right?
yeah.
Okay. I'll take it.
Because you know there's definitely there's several associations, some associations in the desert.
Uh-huh.
The one next to this one, like when you first come through the security gate,
Yeah.
the condos on the right side of Painted Mirage Road.
Oh, you mean on the year it was
that's
built?
a different association. That one was developed in 1989.
Was it really?
Yeah.
So when was yours?
But this particular one, it was 2002 and 2003.
Okay. Well, we were in. You are right then, more than I am. But I do remember them being condos here that I worked on.
Yeah, well, you're definitely right about that.
Well, it's good to be right once in a while.
I'm sure you're just being modest.
Hey, I've been married for 43 years. I can't remember when I was right there.
I'm sorry, what was that?
I've been married for 43 years and I can't remember ever being right there.
Yeah,
I always just have to say, yeah, you're right, dear.
gotcha.
That's why I'm married 43 years.
It was kind of funny that they were built like 13 years apart though.
Oh,
Yeah. That is kind of weird.
Okay, I'm guessing probably when they developed that one, they just had that main road, and then they finally put roads over here later on.
God.
Hey.
Keep shutting the light off.
These bolts don't look too bad. I may have to hang on. I might put a rubber seal on them. Yeah, that rubber seal right there is bad.
Mm-hmm. Replace that.
Yeah, that's why I get a kit that has everything, this whole center stack and everything. But these bolts look good. I just got to change the rubber seals on them.
What the guys down at Van Mark say?
About
Been busy?
there wasn't anybody in there except me and a homeowner.
It's crazy.
But I'm not a fan of these automatic ones. They like to sell us.
So when you do the guts, you do all, like, that's considered all the guts right there?
When I say guts, it's all the rubber seals and all the interior parts.
Yeah.
But if this condo was built in 2002, so that makes it what, 22 years old?
Mm-hmm.
Still, we got we've been out doing family business. My brother had a tub spout that was not working today. So I'm gonna change out his tub spout for him. He's 80 years old.
Your brother?
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm 15 years younger than he is.
How's he doing? Okay.
He's doing good. He lost his wife to COVID.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
That sucks.
And that really, that's been hard on him. It's been hard on all of us.
Yeah.
That's my sister-in-law. So you're starting off basically with nothing.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why if I usually rebuild a toilet, I like to do it from everything.
Right.
And these are the fill valves you generally like to have those. Generally, I like to cut about that much off this.
Ugh. I'll help you put that back together in a minute.
Yeah, it'll take time.
I was just trying to get this video.
What did it was a white nut. What did I put that?
Right. Oh, that's.
It's got to be here somewhere.
It's big, right?
Yeah, it's a big white one. It just spun it off.
Behind the door here.
No. Oh, come on.
It's got to be in that bucket.
Did I space? No, I spun it off.
Oh, just got a message from
From
the Tim with the water heater in the ceiling.
Yeah.
Didn't hold. He wants us to go put a new one in.
Okay.
Bill them directly. Must be what is it? Just a faulty? Is under warranty, right?
It should be. But we're dealing with warranty too.
What's in the ceiling? When you got that's gonna be a pain in the butt.
Yes, it will. A lot of people don't do this. I do though. And I don't care if I have to use old parts. I like to put rubber seals on both the bottom and the and no steel washers. The steel washers will just corrode and get it ugly.
Do we have the model and serial number of that water heater?
I should in my texts.
Where did they buy that at?
That's a good question. I don't know.
Those bolts hold that just that standpipe in there, or whatever it is.
These nuts. This is what bolts down to the toilet.
Oh, but you have to take that off to get that.
I double bolt this or nut this. So I nut this with a washer underneath to squeeze the rubber seal so that way the tank will not leak at all.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
So I have one on the top side, between the top side of the china and the bottom side of the china.
Gotcha.
And I like to squeeze them a little so they make sure they're tight. You know what I think it is?
What?
I think that they don't have enough patience for the hot water to make it to those back sinks on that. I think the water heater's still working. I think what they need is a circulating line throughout it all, but it's a little too late for that.
Yeah.
Okay, where's my other nut?
Try your pocket.
Oh, here it is.
So you can't add a circulating pump on, it's too late?
We could do a comfort pump, which might work. You just put it on the farthest fixture.
Mm.
And
That
then
just plugs in 120 volts.
if there's an outlet up there, yeah.
Alright, I'll see you tonight.
Off to work, huh? Have a good day at work.
Thank you, you too.
You get to sit home and watch TV, huh? You get to sit home and watch TV.
Yeah. Basically.
Good. That thread's backwards, huh?
Yeah.
It's gonna make a good YouTube video. Shit, might make $1 million.
Yeah, you showing everybody my secrets.
Get you cut. Those guys on YouTube are making insane money, like $100,000 a month.
You want to know something? I got a phone call from one of the kids that I taught.
Oh,
He
really?
goes, "You're famous, Mr. Clark." I go, "What are you talking about?" He says, "Your boss is putting you on YouTube."
Oh, yeah.
YouTube and TikTok. And
Yeah.
I'm like, "Yeah." He said, "Well, everybody's talking about you on their filter, saying you look fat." I go, "Yeah, I do."
No, they didn't. They never said. There's one video that we had lit the pilot on a water heater, and they're like, why is he lighting that? It's gonna burn up the tank or crack the tank or something. We had just lit the pilot. I'll have to show you the. I think it was at Naylor's house, the solar guy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they were. I'm like, thank you for the comment. You're getting me more views because the more comments you
You
get.
mean I lit it before I filled it?
Yeah,
Well, I'm just lighting the pilot. I'm not lighting the
yeah,
flame.
I know.
And that's okay, simply because I want to make sure I got a pilot before I fill it full of water.
Yeah, I know. These guys, they ain't got nothing better to do.
Yeah, they love to be critical of other plumbers.
Oh yeah.
I never look at those things and comment.
Oh no,
It's not worth the money.
no, it's just too much. Like,
Yeah, we're both kind of semi-retired.
oh, that's cool.
I mean, she's my sister.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I came out here about 8 years ago and bought this place, and then she moved in about 4 years ago.
Oh, right on.
So, yeah, she works for the Sphere.
Yeah, I saw her shirt.
3 days a week, and then I kind of work at home. I'm a CPA.
You're a CPA?
Yeah, but I work for like a company like that. I have one client basically.
Sure.
And I work for them like 2 months out of the year.
Yeah. Oh, okay, cool.
3 months out of the year.
It's good.
And everybody would scream if they saw me using a ratchet on a toilet tank.
We're supposed to use a nut driver?
Yeah, but I can use this. I know not to tighten it too tight.
Yeah.
I just don't want it rattling all over the place.
How's your AC unit running?
Running good.
Is it? Is it this one over here, right where you walk out?
No, it's working fine.
No, but when you go down the stairs, is it that first one? When you walk down the stairs, is it to the?
Oh yeah.
That's it right there.
Yeah. That's
Oh, okay. Yeah, we do AC also.
Yeah, no, I use you guys for my I have a couple of rental properties.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, so I use you guys.
Oh, right on.
This is the first time that I've used it for. I didn't realize you guys did plumbing.
Yeah, we're trying to let everybody know.
But yeah, I've always been happy with the service.
Oh, thank you.
Thank
Thank you. Appreciate that.
Little as I used it, but
Yeah, so like when we go to AC clients' houses, we say, hey, we're doing plumbing, and vice versa. We're doing plumbing. I didn't know you had used this already, so that's awesome.
matter of fact, I have a friend who owns a rental property out here too. He's living in LA, but
Uh huh.
he was having I recommended you guys to him.
Oh, okay.
And he was really happy with with what you guys did, because he actually brought in a different AC guy, and they wanted to like replace the whole.
Yeah.
It was gonna be like 10, 20 grand.
Really?
And then I recommended you to him, and
Yeah.
they were able to kind of do a workaround. Kind of
Yeah.
replace the whole.
Well, that's awesome. Thank you.
That was like, 2 or 3 years ago.
Was it?
So he was really happy.
Well, that's awesome. Thank you.
Yeah, that's awesome.
I have an ice pick in one of my end pouches. Other side. Thought I did. What did I do with my bridges?
Cleaning the holes.
Yeah, a little bit. They're not bad.
I like how you guys are feeling like a family.
Yeah.
Instead of like a corporate.
Yeah, we get that a lot.
I
That,
always like to use that.
yeah, we get that a lot. Old school, you know, the corporations like the Gettles and the Yes, it's just corporate talk, you know, and
Yeah.
we've had a big, these last 5 years, so many private equity companies are coming into our field.
Yeah.
It's home services, whether it's landscaping, pest control, plumbing, AC, electrical, and they're buying up a lot of the little companies and even the big ones, and then they consolidate them and put them under one roof, and you know they have them for 4 or 5 years and make a big profit, and then they sell them off to the next private equity. And it's a shame because there's a lot of good workers that don't want to put up with it, and they leave, and then they're left with people that aren't very good, you know, and it's a cycle that seems to be happening a lot in this industry. So we've always stayed small, and you know, we don't want to be everything, you know, we're more of a repair company, to be honest. Like, plumbing's a little bit different. Plumbing's pretty much all repair. It's not, other than a water heater, right?
Yeah.
But we like to repair, but on the AC side, we'd rather repair for $800-900 than $8,000-9,000, because there's more people with $800-900 than $8,000-9,000, you know. So it's
But I really appreciate you guys' honesty. That's what I really like most about you.
Yeah.
Plus that you're very close, but.
yeah. No, we appreciate.
It may have been you that I talked to, but I talked to somebody on the phone.
That's me, yeah.
My tenant. They said like one of the rooms, like in their AC. You know, I have the central AC unit in my rental property.
Yeah.
But they said one of the rooms was like the air wasn't coming out like quite as strong.
Uh-huh.
And so I called you guys up, and whoever I spoke to on the phone, they were pretty much honest and said there's not really a whole lot.
Yeah, you can't do a whole lot.
So if I could go out there and take a look at it, you know, you could pay me a service fee to go come out and take a look, but I have to be honest with you, that's really like central air,
Yeah.
wherever the room that's part of the lake, you know, from it, it's gonna get the leak come out of there.